Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. Today I am going to share with you something bad. You can see I practice my English every day. You can see I learn English. I come on the roof to practice my English every morning. Yesterday when I was practicing my English at my factory workers told me, "Hey Usman, you are going to be crazy day by day." After hearing that, my mind felt bad. After a few minutes, I thought, no, if I care about them, then I won't be able to go too near my goal. If somebody wants to hurt you, don't care about them, keep learning. When you will be success, they will jealous at you. First of all, you have to do hard work every single day. If you really want to be success, everybody like successful man. You have to be successful man. That's it. Keep learning and make your future better. That's it. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.